Alright guys, this video is for my Telegram viewers. So let me make a very short video on the live price action. Okay, this is Wipro, right? With the naked chart, no one will be able to say whether is this trade, can I go long, can I short, can I hold. Unless and until you have the price action, it will be like very difficult for you, right? So let me show you my price action. Now, majority of the people will think this as a junk line, right? I mean, I don't care, right? This is my price action. I do not believe on the horizontal support resistance line because 99% of the retailers will use the same horizontal support and resistance line, but still they tend to lose in the market. For me, this is my edge. Pause the video, check with your naked house how many times this price got rejected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally, this gave the breakout, and you have to know. See, try to understand, right? I'll now zoom out, guys, right? Now, just try to know this has given almost like 0.7% and then for 6.60% and then 1.6. So this has given a huge momentum. But now the question is, this red candles, guys, this red candles, many people will think that, okay, the moment they see the red candle, they'll think this is a reversal. That's it. They will say this is a false breakout. But guys, don't come to conclusion, right? You need to combine this with the data driven. See, how will you be able to say whether this is a reversal candle or a retracement candle? How will you be able to say whether this is a genuine breakout retest trade or it's a false breakout? So there comes your data driven, right? See, I am partnered with Quantsub. If you think that I'm promoting the tool, yes, I'll be like promoting, but I'm just telling you the trade logic. This is how I've been like trading since from last 10 months. My trading style has changed. Very simple way, right? You decide whether you want to go for the Quantsub or not, but let me show you live. See this. On 2nd Jan, 3rd Jan, 4th Jan, 3 days we have shorts getting built up. Okay, let me take you back to the price action. Yes, even though I was expecting this to be long unwinding. If this was long unwinding, meaning people who went long here, people who went long here, people who went long here, right? If long unwinding were happening, even though you'll see this red candles, but this red candles were result of shorts getting built up. Check the quantum. Low shorts got built up. Check the red color, guys. Right? To some extent like better than this, and then there was right. All of a sudden, why do we see this longs getting built up? Is it a real breakout retest trade, or the big players are trapping us? Simple thing, right? Now check this. Now come with the price action. Yes, I do the price action just to know my entry and my stop loss, but the reason why it took the bounce back from this zone, end of the day, these are zones, guys. Market will never run on single straight lines. Okay, check this. How many times we have rejection? 1, 2, 3. So these many times this could not break the resistance, but finally it has given the breakout retest. So to know whether this is a retest trade or not, you need to check two things. What is the cycle? What are these 3 red candles? Are this the long unwinding? If I would have seen the long unwinding here, the way we have this blue color, long unwinding, long, then my conviction would have been more in terms of buying Wipro. But even now I can buy the Wipro, guys. Looking at these 3 red candles, looking at this short, I've not decided saying that Wipro will go down, because again all of a sudden I've seen a long getting built up, because it is standing at a critical zone which was acting as a critical resistance. Now this is acting as a critical support. So not only the long unwinding, even if there are like shorts, check the quantum of the shorts. Check the green color. Check the green color. Yes, we had a good quantum in the short, but see, taking calculated risk is always good. If this would have been long unwinding, I would have entered into Wipro with conviction. But even today, I can enter into Wipro, right? Though I see these 3 shorts, but there is a strong support, right? Check the 200 moving average. Right? The stock is above the 200 moving average. Check how many times the stock has rejected at this dynamic trend line, right? Even I'll enter into Wipro, I'll put my stop loss below the low or below this trend line. See, this comes with your own trading style, and I don't want to discuss about the stop loss and everything, but this is how. End of the day, we need to check the open interest. Boss, we need to check the open interest. Do we have the participants here? People like you and me, we are not movers and shakers. We cannot take this Wipro up or down. End of the day, we need the big player. We need one big FII, DIIs, or the HNI, the pro traders. See, let's see, right? If you look at the Wipro, we have huge participation, 98%. At times this participation will be 3, 4, 5, 6. If that is the case, I would have never entered. Now I see huge participation. The price is above the average 95 percentile, right? It is making the cycle of long unwinding. Yes, 3 shots are there, but I see a long unwinding, right? I'll take a calculated risk and enter. But this, if this would have been long unwinding, I would have entered into Wipro. Yes, don't be rigid. Every system works, right? Use your price action with data driven. Believe me, see, if you want to get consistent profit, you need to have some edge with you. And end of the day, check what is Wipro doing, what is the sector doing, how does the sector looks, is that, does the sector is bullish or bearish? You have too many features in the concept, right? I can provide you huge discount, right? This is how I was able to make almost 160% in the span of 10 months by using the e-margin, by using this tool. That's it. I do not use any other thing. Every system works, but this is my system, guys, right? Explore the tool and see. This will help you basically whether to hold the stocks. So let's say you might have taken the long here. The next day, if you see the longs getting built up, you will not exit. The next day, if you see longs getting built up, you will not exit. The next day, if you see long unwindings are happening, still you will hold the trade because it is long unwinding. People are booking their profits, so fresh buyers might enter, right? This is the way this tool will help you. Okay, if you go to the cycle, even this will show you all the stock. There are like too many features, guys. There are like too many features. Like if you click on the analyze, these are all the different tools. Don't be rigid, right? Change your thought process, right? I can provide you good discount if someone is very serious. I'm not telling about other retailers who don't want to spend some money on the bare minimum things, right? If you want to follow the same old-fashioned trades, I mean, you can do that. Price action will help you, but data driven is what, data driven is the key. End of the day, there should be open interest. This is called open interest, guys. And click on this thing. This you can explore basically how the open interest is going down, up. Check this, right? You can check this, right? This is a price percentile, this is a OI percentile, this is a future price, right? You need to know all these things, right? Tool will help you within a microsecond. Why the hell we should go to option chain, do all the calculation? By the time you do the calculation, stocks will move like 1%, 2%. All right, anyways, guys, I wanted to make this video, so let's see. I mean, just in case if you like the video, so even if one trader likes it, my goal is achieved. All right, thank you.